So, hello guys, welcome back to the another video on the topic of inventory management system. The language we are using in this project is HTML, CSS, and PHP. There is here is the code, full code, source code. One by one, I will show it to you. Add product, add group, add sales user. In which products we can add groups, sales, update images, profile pictures, admin. Here is two perspective of this project: admin side and user side. Then admin side, Ajax categories, change password. We can also change password, update daily sales, delete categories, group, delete media, delete products, delete sale, delete user. We can add or delete user both. We cannot waste time and then go to the output. Here we have to start XAMPP first to run PHP projects. Yes, simply it also restart all the servers. We have to move on. Then simply go to the web page and type here our project name. Our project name is final. Then I will show it to by login by admin. In this we can add profile settings, user dashboard, user management, manage category, sales. We can also sales, and we can also generate sale report of days by day, monthly, daily sales, all the perspective we have. Then simply log out. Then we can log in by user. I can provide you all the source code in my GitHub repository. So thank you guys.